there for a little bit longer. Not even a full year, but just a decent enough time to where I feel like I can't wait to get started on some more arts and crafts. So we went to IKEA. Let me show you what we got. A couple of shelves. This is another fun shelf. 3 large shelves. This is a new lamp that's gonna go in the corner space next to the albums and the vinyl situation. Over here, we've got 3 frames. I'm about to take all the shelves off the wall. All the things are coming down. Today is really just a prep day. All that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, dude. Everything is off the wall. Now it's time to putty this. What I'm using is a Drydex dry temp indicator. Let's patch up this hole. What I'm doing is buttering the bread. That's what's gonna make sure you can secure this patch in place. And then we're gonna go over it all. Girl. All of the walls are done. Everything is pink, like on the dots that you can see. And when they are dry, they will be white. Good morning. Hi. It is currently, don't know, probably like 9 o'clock or something. I am going to be sanding down those nail holes, putting up the shelves, and I already put prints in those frames. Oh, y'all. Hold on. She done went and bought a whole rug. But that's what happens. Because you start with one little thing, and then another one adds on, and then another one adds on, and then you realize you're just like, you know what, just start the whole thing over. You may feel like I literally just did this quick high powwow situation because yesterday I started and all I did was sand down the nail holes. I was too tired. I could not take it. I think it's actually a good thing that I didn't because we decided we're gonna move the room around a little bit, excuse me. This DJ station is going to be shifted to this wall. The couch is going to be put over here. On camera, you can't have a lot of sound in the background. So I'm gonna keep going, throw a cute little voiceover because I need to vibe out. You feel me? Y'all pay attention. Y'all got any questions? Put it down there. I get to it. You like what you see? Let me know. Put it down there. I get to it. If you like what you're watching right now, go on down there and hit that red button over there. And the notifications, they're gonna let you know when I make another one. You see this? Cha-cha now, y'all. Come on back here, I ain't done with you yet. Come on. This thing. Watch my speakers. That was working. Come on. So this one right here, we're gonna slide this out so that the, what's this called?
Receiver.
The receiver can fit inside of the cage. Come on.
Oh, it's one of those lock things.
Nope, there's that.
Sand it down. But we're out. That's a good thing.
That looks a lot better. So cool. What we have to do now is what? Plant placement. Honestly, we actually are really like almost done. Plant placement, clean the floor, and put down the carpet. And watch it break. You didn't even have nothing. Look at me some scissors. I'm pleased, I'm happy, I'm hungry.
I'm running out of space.
And I'm running out of space. On what?
Some more records.
Oh, yes. Running out of space on records. I think it looks a lot better over here. It looks a lot more open. You have the sunlight hitting it in an even manner. It's great. When I tell you a little bit goes a long way, it really, really does. And just small little things that upgrade what you already have. Before we looking back, it's foolish. Can we talk about it for